Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Swastik, and a few days back I actually uploaded a video on my channel in which I showed you how you can use the official Kindle application as a mod APK. But in that video, I didn't show you the exact process. In that video, I didn't show you a real life example in which I actually sent a book to my official Kindle account. So in this video, that is what I'm going to do. So in this video, I'm going to give you a real life example in which I'm going to send a book to my official Kindle account through my mail. So that video was actually a very detailed video, and it actually consists of 12 steps. So if you want to see that will be linked in the I button over here or somewhere over here. You can click on it, or if you have missed the I button, you can always go to the description box given below and find the link over there. Let's get started. Okay, so hey everyone, welcome to my PC. So as you can see, this is my main PC. This is my desktop. So let me just open my Chrome browser, then select my account, and after that I have to open a new page and then go to amazon.in. As you can see, it has already come up. I'm going to amazon.in, and from here I will be going to my account section, and from there I'll be going to manage your content and device. Just click on that and then click on devices. So here you'll be getting an option known as Kindle devices. You will not be able to see my email address, but let me tell you that I have actually changed my email address to a preference which I actually prefer and which is easy for me to remember, because when you're going to send books from your particular email address, this is going to be very helpful for you when you remember your particular email address. So if you have not changed your email address, you can just click on this edit button and can change it. So as I've done from here, and so it is very important for you to actually identify your device. So here in this video, I'm actually going to install a book onto my iPad. As you can see, this is my iPad mini. So let's keep it at a side, and now I'll be going to a website known as Z Library. So let me open another tab and type Z Library, and as you can see, the first link over here is Z Library. Go to the book section, and from here you can search any book. Let me just install this book over here. That is let's select the first one, Atomic Habits. It's a very good book, and if you have not read it, go and read it once. It's a must read book according to me. And then here you can see that there is an option called download EPUB. But on my main video, I had told you that you must download MOBI format for Kindle, which actually supports that adaptive zoom thing. So that is very important, and that is very important for me at least. So I am always going to download it in MOBI format. So as you can see, there are 3 MOBI formats. So let me select the largest one. I don't know if it helps or not. So I'll just select MOBI, and as you can see, it has started downloading. So just keep it in mind, if you want to change the format of the book from this Z Library webpage, you will need to be signed in. So yeah, as you can see, I have signed in. So if you are not signed in, or if you are not logged in into Z Library with your own account, you will be able to download the book, but you will not be able to change the format of the book. So as you can see, I have downloaded the Atomic Habits book over here, and it's in my PC. Now let's go to amazon.in homepage. And from here, as I had told you that I know the email address which I had changed, and it is very essential for you to identify your device. So as you can see, this is my device, Swastika's iPad. Swastika is actually my sister's name. So this iPad belongs to her. So I'm going to send that book onto this iPad which belongs to my sister there. And as you can see, I've already identified my device. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Gmail. So let me just do it. I'm going to Gmail webpage. So here I'm going to select that Google account which is actually linked to my Amazon account. So it is this, as you can see. So now I'm going to copy this email address from here. As you can see, I selected copy, and in the to section I'll be pasting this email address, Control V, and as an attachment I'll be sending this book. As you can see, Atomic Habits. So you just need to go to your Amazon web page, and then under the account section go to manage your content and device section, and from there select the devices tab from the top of the page over here, and then you will need to identify your device. So as you can see, I previously identified, and then copy the particular email address from of that device, and then go to Gmail, and in the to section just copy and paste that particular email address, and then add the book as an attachment, and then you will just have to send it. That's all. Now you will just have to send the mail. So as you can see, this is my iPad, and I have downloaded the Kindle app over here. I'm just going to open it, and in my library section, this is the home page, and this is the library page. So as you can see in the library section, it says that your library is empty. So I have not sent any book over here, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to send the book over from my computer. Just click on the send button, and yeah, just send the book, and yeah, it should show me the book over here after some time. Just go to this more section and click on this sync icon. As you can see, just go to the more section from here, and there will be an icon named sync. As you can see, it says synchronizing, and I'm reopening my Kindle app over here. So as you can see, I've just reopened my Kindle app from here, and then just go to your library, and as you can see, Atomic Habits is being downloaded. So as you can see, Atomic Habits is being downloaded. Then you can just open the book from here, and yeah, as you can see, it's as simple as that. From the layout section, as you can see, the full book is here. So you will always be able to find it on your home page under this section called from your library. Just click on the book, and it should open. As simple as that. You can also change the theme from here, as you can see. Yeah. So this is actually the advantage of sending the book in MOBI format. So as you can see, if you go to this font icon, you can actually change the size from here. If you increase the font size, this is going to adaptively zoom into your document, and you will not have to scroll horizontally to read through the documents, which is the case when you send the book in PDF format. So in the MOBI format, it actually adapts itself. If you increase the font size, the number of words per page is going to decrease, and if you just decrease the font size, the number of words per page is going to rapidly decrease, and this is a big thumbs up for me. Yeah. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help it grow. Currently I have over 58 subscribers, and yeah, that is not a lot, and help my channel grow. And if you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section given below, and I'll get back to them. You can even DM me on Instagram or Twitter. I always reply to each and every DMs I get. And that is it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.